Hello everybody, heartily welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you the difference between the Chinese garlic and normal garlic, Indian garlic. This is a Chinese garlic. Unfortunately I have purchased the Chinese garlic from our local market, but it's spread massively spread on the Indian market. So how you can identify that the Chinese garlic is duplicate garlic, so it is not good for health anymore. So this is a normal garlic. So I have, you can see here I have lots of, so these are the Chinese garlic, and only two are for as an example. So this is a normal garlic. So how you can find? So you can notice that this is a Chinese garlic and it looks very good, and every fruit has a very beautiful, or this fruit is just like a reddish color, dark brownish color, or this is not a good, this is the size. You can see the size, and this is the size. This is a very good looking, and this fruit is very big size. This is a very you can see the size, and this is the size. This is not very good looking. This is hybrid. This is not a deshi breed. This is a hybrid. You can see the hybrid garlic. So one important thing, how you can easily identify that the Chinese garlic. So you can notice that Chinese garlic, this is the full body, this is the upper body, and this is the lower body. This Chinese garlic hasn't any root. This is the root. This is the hair type of root. So what is the root? This is something like that. It has, because every garlic has a root to collect the food from the earth. It has a hair, something like that. So this is the normal garlic. It has a root. Whereas this garlic hasn't any root. So it is not possible to collect one by one garlic and cut this root by a few people when the all garlics baggage in the packet. So the main difference thing, it has a root or it has a no root, and it looks very beautiful, and it looks not very beautiful, but it is nice. So it is the difference. So thanks for watching.